Now, we don't want to spend too much time on tweaking the animation because this is not the purpose of this course, but we're still going to improve that a little bit. Inside of my Man 1, I know that when I press play, it just goes too fast and we can barely see the animation. So let's slow this down. How do we do this? Well, if you click on the Man 1, under the player behavior screen that we created, we have the speed right here. So instead of 2, I'm going to slow it down to 0.5, right? It might still be a bit too fast or too slow, but that's okay. I'm going to press play and check it out now. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit better now. But you can see that when it walks, it stops right there. And the reason why is that we need to loop the walking animation. You guys already know how to do this. You have to go inside of the Man 1 folder, locate the animation for the walk, and once you select it, go to the animations and click on loop time and loop pause and click on apply. If not, that's not going to happen. Now if you press play, we'll be able to do this in no time. Let me move that, and there we go. But as you can see, the animation is kind of laggy and it starts to come back. So there's definitely something wrong with that. So we got to fix this. All right. So right now I only have loop time. Let's go with loop pause and see, apply, press play. Okay, I'm going to move that. And there we go, it's fixed. So make sure you have also loop pause. All right. Somehow I didn't have it there, but remember to have a loop pause and apply. Okay. Now we can also do the strafe right and strafe left whenever we press the A and the D keys, and also the going backwards. And we're going to do that, but really quickly because we don't want to spend too much time on this neither.